Hello, my name is Amina Arshad and here is my hand in 4. As you can see, I have written my graphics in the text edit file where I have described each graphics X positions and Y positions. For example, here in rectangle you can see it has an X position, Y position, it has a width and height position. And the same goes on for the others where they have different values in the X and Y positions, and some of them have more than one X and one Y position. So what I do next is that I have saved this file in my bin folder, and then I go into my code in the header file. Here I have included fstream, iostream and string, so I have access to the library, so I can open the file by using fstream. I have an off image that will load the image. I have an off texture for the image. Then I've created a string and an integer that have values and another string called str, and two unsigned chars for the pictures, and here they are declared, and then I use them in my CPP where I start by this function right here that loads the file in, and in this if condition it asks if the file is open, and this do statement makes sure that the code will run as long as it's true, and this file statement here, file str, it will get the string from the file, and then there's just a cout statement here, and I have another if statement here, which says if string is equal to offred, it should input some values, and then the rectangle should be drawn, and it will be drawn by putting in the values in the functions. So the same goes on for the other graphics I have created. The difference is just that some have more values than one, and then there's a if string, a fill graphic here and a off no fill graphic here, and as I said, it's just the same code, and then just the last one, a while statement here, which says that as long as it's not end of the file, it will run, and then in this file.close, it will end the code. So let's run it. Here you can see my graphics. They have no fill, my ellipse, my rectangle, a circle, a box, a triangle, a curve, and a line, and all of them have no fill. And you can see that for the ellipse, the triangle, the curve, and the box have offset color. If I uncomment this no fill, the graphics will be filled as the code showed, and that's it.